Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set learning reminders on Udemy. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Udemy app. After that you have to click on the account option at the bottom of the screen, and after that at the account settings section the last one is learning reminders. So you have to click on that, and it says that set a learning reminder to help you meet your goals faster. You can change the frequency or turn them off if you're in your account settings at any time. So if you want that, you have to choose this option, and after that you have to set the frequency, the day. Here you can see the days of the week, and after that the time, and you have to choose from these options, and that is how you can set learning reminders on Udemy. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.